for higher GC News, Mima Ubibia Kwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Aramede, Bremo, and Uti, so when you subscribe to channel, idea, Bomodia say, Uber subscribe. Yobayana say, Uber click a the subscribe button. Now, Wabeli, a year notification. We answer video for Frubia Bay upload. Also, once a bear can be. Afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memu hanom afi yenti ye sansem ya ababetuja yenti sa report
immigration service migraine oje bon komono.
Okay, so the Ghana immigration service for the crater be the babontin. Na mo krato mo de bani na titia obo se yet krom ha no mu se na ye dwom mo asum na nsem basa na yekeka de two futro de agunkofo ani se yi gate na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ko launch no enrechios last week no amanfo keka se $240 million ye bowa $240 million na mom nchemu ni ne
Dabotre ye kan
nchemu na me hand over now
to all media houses
including Bawumia
for immediate release.
Yeah, can see ya.
And I will be kind of member their coachy.
Oh, and movie it's a pressure. But me mom say can see one guy.
Sir. See, it was WJB the kind of member coachy or the 19th December 2024.
I say
response by Ghana Immigration Service to false claims on the cost of e-gate system installed at the Kotoka International Airport.
The Kotoka International Airport e-gate in Yakoboka.
The Kotoka International Airport Yakia. The Ghana Immigration Service has noted with great concern false claims circulating on social media and other platforms suggesting that the e-gate system deployed at the Kotoka International Airport in Accra cost the taxpayer $240 million. Pacho, nye truck at you. The Ghana Immigration Service, and I guess no, wishes to clarify the facts and provide the public with accurate information regarding the e-gate system and its associated costs. 1. It is inaccurate that the e-gate system installed at the Kotoka International Airport cost a total amount of $240 million.
I just say no credit. Say e-gate some way no Kotoka International Airport on no. $240 million.
I can't bro for them fan
ba. Me see. Kabia.
Me say kabro fo.
E na make kabro for them de bia ka ho.
There be what they kabro for na. Jemam.
Okay. It's number 2. The Ghana Immigration Service is implementing
there be what they share.
Mr. Starting for
the Ghana Immigration Service
has noted with great cause.
Hey, brah, astronaut to all media houses for immediate release.
Where the Public Affairs Department, National Headquarters.
Ghana Immigration. Edumani woman mo hwe ankra ene nwumakuo ene amanfo
off Akweje interchange number 7 Mozambique Link Ridge Accra.
And baby omo Akweje interchange ni nchen wa wo free ha media general TV3 ha wo traffic ko na wo tra baby a banki there be obefa interchange ni nchen ha na unya trust and chat bank na wa fa wonsani fa so number 1 Mozambique Link ba so ni Mozambique by the Mozambique baby afraid ha
telephone number 0302
telephone number no 0302
22 44 and our website na www.
Wo kabro for na no so abam na kabro for
website www.gis.gov.gh.
Aba fonten fidie no so no www. Dot grand 3 years full stop home. Kwasi Agina. www. Kwasi Agina. GIS Kwasi Agina. GOV Kwasi Agina. GH.
Yes, the money here. Because over GH boy. To all media houses.
Ghana, they will bore Nisan Trojwen now for
immediate release. Response by Ghana Immigration Service to false claims on the cost of e-gate system installed at the Kotoka International Airport.
Where no Cassia, Ghana Immigration Service in the Baba to say pa Ghana airport. Yes, baby, I don't play. Ojina, John Mahama see na crab no chrese sika omo yes fatira so na mie ene friend e-gate no wo de chrese so na bie ene friend e-gate e-moses ekoye e Kotoka International Airport no ene o mbechire ni.
The Ghana Immigration Service has noted with great concern false claims circulating on social media and other platforms suggesting that the e-gate system deployed at the Kotoka International Airport in Accra cost the taxpayer $240 million.
So when you was obi atro say na who said the can say Jáil. Ghana Immigration Service and the ababa to say Ghana omanya yetimi. Aya na yen central 42 Captain Smart, Captain 3 hanani na okansem na Hughes and so 3 FM na branch the brofuno no so bojagum na Kwame Nkrumah tikese na obogu achire na tago so techire no so obogum o say and omoto na Ghana for central for yan say aye e-gate na e-moses ekoye Kotoka International Airport no ne bono some American topable dollars no $240 million no say there be enye no kwada
Eti deni yede Jáil. The Ghana Immigration Service wishes to clarify the facts and provide the public with accurate information regarding the e-gate system and its associated costs.
Jáil, eti Ghana Immigration Service force Ghana for munyi masum. Said there wo honte Jáil. Eti munyi masum ye. Na said the Akufo keka and the $240 million. $240 million. Munja isa Afenyo aswen.
1. It is inaccurate that the e-gate system installed at the Kotoka International Airport cost a total amount of $240 million Donald Trump dollars.
One near baako. Na 8 number brofum say krata say hwe. Enye papa kra. Enye no kra da. So we be say e-gate no $240 million. Debbie.
Number 2, the Ghana Immigration Service is implementing a new integrated border management system known as Immigration 360.
Jáil said that Jáil Ghana Immigration Service wɔn de nneɛma foforɔ ba sɛkyerɛ nneɛma ni na adeɛ na wɔn de ba no broni kasa wɔn akukuru de ato so ɛyɛ Immigration 360 say News 360 ɛwɔ TV3.
The system seeks to fully automate passengers processing and data management at all the 48 approved entry and exit points to Ghana and other operational commands.
The contact automated system to what would do not just say if you didn't would be beach na do call the beach na said a Torkornoo a coin I would want Makumako Adrianine and what no why would do her Kwasi Agyarko any ho Jáil na bie na wona okro.
The new system seeks to address challenges with sovereignty, interoperability, and the inaccuracies associated with the existing system installed at the 12 approved borders.
Oh, you are? It's you who brought Fakasi about me, Brofuna, and then Crawford Babagum was saying, Sanya, my way, a woman, the Abano, said the Abaya, a Bebwa sovereignty, we kasa baby ye sovereign and chese nipa de ne ho
fa ho die
wan kasa woto na wotu kwan na wode wo ho wanya osika and wakoye knocking with Josephine so no
na be wa no
15th March wo be wa no na Kwame your friend Bawumia ofia eti interoperability then so ka ho any said ye niam na ye sukurubudu sukurubodo aya wonwona he ni na no 12 border. Number 3, the total cost of the new Immigration 360 border management system is $94.6 million. Okay, Tiai. I say I catch you. Ade, and $240 million da. Adiano. 94,664,374.57 US dollars.
By when they say, Number 4. As part of phase 1 of the project, the Ghana Immigration Service is installing border management system, including an e-gate component at the Kojo Kyeremanteng International Airport, is geared at enhancing smooth passenger clearance and processing. The whole component for the Kojo Kyeremanteng International Airport, comprising the immigration control system and the e-gate, cost $5.5 million.
Okay. Eti, sir, wait there. The new oh.
As no say 3 years. As.
When Bisem.
Eti,
almost say, we both Bisem. Eye nobody betu ya nim say saa de ya omoye saa gate ho asema aba betom sa ne bo na de eche Kojo Kyeremanteng International Airport na nkasa ene yes ye di kosi ho na ye feche yes so e ma aso no eye $5,548,860.
Bolas one would $860 more
Opepepinum, actually ponum, and nine, and water, and untre. As my cousin, you never have you.
Number 5, the e-gate alone. The e-gate system alone, comprising 15 units of e-gate weight accessories, that is into brackets. Which forms part of the border management system being installed at Kojo Kyeremanteng International Airport, cost $1.7 million.
Okay. Eti, what was saying? Yes, I did. I'm going to see way. You get to know. 1 million, $1.7 million US dollars. And I'm going to say, let's say, Sanchez will. Any first one now can say 96 no. Say conflict. And so omu breaking it down. They're breaking it down for us. It's a breakdown. So number 6. So there, $240 million US reference in the circulating article on social media is in relation to the whole cycle cost of the project, including the initial implementation cost of $94 million. Oh, you are. I said that I'm Kaye. It's in the Ajay. It's what I say. Said the Ajay. It's what I say. $240 million now. Ghana for 10 years. Edi came back on thing. I was social media. And me who do ni na no. Oh, Debbie. Dem no. Ne buono. What the can and only initial payments now $94 million no now what the $1.7 million now aqua one
yes
now say you $99 million
yes so please listen to this now listen to number 8 I am speaking English my brother so number 8 the first upgrade type
where do you want it
yes number 8 the first upgrade type is in 3 replacement cycle of the key components of the system. The second upgrade type is 2, that is a 5-year upgrade cycle within 10 years to replace a major component of technical infrastructure. This is to ensure a refresh of the system at all times and ensure that the handback of a brand new system at the end of the 10-year period.
That's it. Where's the Honti Ajay? What say? Adia way or Moyano? Wama Majiro Moa Achichem Aye Emienu. Now the Edika say, Obika say, Putobianche, a share Bejijo. The first one upgrade in nature say, yeah, refreshing computer or doom. Computer nedum wodi phone ya caller as a muye din enko na wodi ato restart na phone na agere ho na cha say wodi ya adwuma wo say first one say ya fans ade ne ye bibi ne yesi e be upgrade first one e shembi second one e no fi shembi e na wo say ade na wo de abesi woni nyina no wo de ye adwuma ne mfiedu enti contract first phase second phase e na ye contract a kabom mfiedu ehoka ena omatua na nyese bibia mfiedu.
Now listen to the most interesting part of it. Number 9.
Number 9.
After accounting for VAT.
Hey! Cold in the car. Galamsey service farmer me cold in the car.
Odogu.
Call
Number 9. After accounting for VAT, that is VAT, and other taxes. After accounting for VAT, and other taxes, the total cost. Okay. So after accounting for VAT, and other taxes, ewo eye vata yetua ho ene eto ahodo a nipa okraye ship ode bai koye fa so ye bibia wie no eto ededa so no koma. The total cost comes to $274 million US Donald Trump dollars.
Eti ye nyina wie na yetete ye taxes ni ade e woso no mum ene ma ade ne bo no eto na ededa so no ene ma ade ne bo no etu free eye $94 million no ene odibirika papa ai ale eti eto na ebede da so VAT and eto ahodo no ene ma ade ne bo no to free $94 million.
Is a tona manaya kese.
Now we do 100. No, we do 180. We do 200. We do 210. 220. 230. 240. No, Asatra. Show no, I got 250. 260. 270. $274 million.
Which includes maintenance and hands-on support service over a 10-year period to guarantee the system is operational around the clock.
Eti wa musi di enti ade ne bo no. Anya $240 million na ye kai wa musi ye bo na $94 million no. The ama ne bo na akoye $274 million ne say. The edi kan afidie na say ya be siesie.
Ewo emetire.
Tirio afidie no say ya ye be siesie. Ane number 1. Hands-on support. The church said there be any pansa wo ho wo ye ho adwuma no. Any nipa be install here no. Wo mo ho enti eye ni no ma be ho. E bi ade no wo de wade ne to so no anya adwuma no ma ba no ma be he. Wo de to so na amfa no ma ba no ma be he. Eno so ka ho. E na fei ni na no. Said be ye ade ne be ye adwuma emfi edu. Enti na ama ne bo no. $274 million. Number 10.
Number 10. It is worth noting that the Immigration 360 provides the benefits of integrating seamlessly with.
Okay, number 10, no, do not say. Sanyama way omodi abe. Wom say airport nankasa Mahama see $204 million. Na mom no efidie na omudi be see airport ni mu nankasa $274 million. Na mom de enti e course an se mfaso on so no eyedu no.
Number 1, local
D10I.
Yeah, 10I.
It's a do
local database.
Senabaya, ye wahai. A bet me about one of my Nipado do alpha baby.
Semicolon.
Kukuram.
So local database includes Ghana's National Identification System, that is the NIS.
I must say, well, the bet me abua pan say, we are Ghana Lina, who took an hour 5 get to the moa. Get to me abua, I don't know who is a Ghana for Aqua.
Second dot, Drivers and Vehicle Licensing Authority, DVLA. Local database. Take note of that.
It's easy to airport one.
Yes. When you go with your driver's licenses, you're able to go through.
Okay.
Now, how you be able to go through? Dot number 3. National stop / watch list and II international systems.
Gabby, Jáil. Uncle Sonia has here more. Wait now, we here.
I wasn't more.
11.
So number 11. So the system developed by the Margins ID System Application Limited, a private local Ghanaian company, offers the capabilities to also integrate the various visas and permits issued by the number 11.
Ghana company be the year. Your friend of Margins ID Systems Application Limited. Ankran Kurejuma, ye Ghana ni. Na wamasama makaina ne say ebema omokwan Ghana Immigration Service offers the capability to also integrate ombesesa niema hodo na visa we akwaji visa be ni ade
Number 12, which is the last one. It is important to note that, Margins ID System Application Limited is pre-financing the implementation cost of $94.6 million and will be repaid from revenue that will be accrued from the use of the system.
I'll say, Margins if we one and do music here. And what we say about 274 million. Now one woman do music. Naturally.
Omo Jesus Canada Mekano.
Ghana Immigration Service in 24.
Oh.
Report signing here Asanso Yoba Mon Anima Kwenu, Deputy Commissioner of Immigration, Special Duties, Public Affairs Department. Mame, trouble. Che. Munyin Friso. Oje.
Chairman.
Oje.
Chairman.
Jebi, what you mean?
Metonka.
Okay. Jebi.
Say yabachi, yabahun nemu. Say very near.
Jebi, what you mean?
Metonka pa, Chairman.
Che. Sir, yet with the contract. Nanado Akunta Besi Hotel.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Na yet with the hotel na Oba Besina ko Parliament. Na Parliament amani tax waiver. Taxes na gusuni nyina no. Nanado Akunta ebesi ni hotel. No ajiri sika egu ni bottom edi enya aban dia. Okay. Now you are waiving over $100 million.
I say ye free so.
Ye free so.
Yes, they are channel.
Say duty obetua manintua, VAT obetua manintua, eto we obetua manintua, we obetua near $100 million. E dey free so ama akonta
a president.
The hotel.
Na akonta a president.
Okay. Obi so abagana wakra mo ene esichire. Emo ne esichire wo. Obeto de ne sika egu ne bottom. Na eno so odimirika Akko Ministries. Na ye the letter ato so. Akko eye tamahabo. Na ono so eto dodo eseso otua no. Ye 80% efrim.
Ye eto kese na efri so.
Ye 80% which 100
and aka eto
20. No so we yi nemo eni na sichire. No akoton. No asande dem fast one egu no bottom.
Say they are contact.
Dana for munche biye. Yes say company bi betu gold. E wo Ghana ha. Company now oba betu gold no. Equipment now no dey ba betu no gold. Asesa dem fast we go no bottom. Otu gold ni na wi a obama Ghana 2%.
O say
Obama 2%.
O de ne nyama free abrochire ba.
Oba betu gold ni nyina.
Obetu ye gold.
Obama 2%.
O message ne to.
Sani panel equipment no dey buy no. Eno so akwa parliament. Ya wavy taxes e waso ina free so.
Na ye meeting.
Eti o de mfidie na ba O2.
Ya bosom no bedi wechi.
Free. Na we nyina achi. Ghana Migration Service. Ekra. E-gate. Ghana Migration Service am a contract. Say yefa E-gate Mexico to International Airport. Kotoka International Airport or E-gate no. Abaye hu yansa. Amfa tax waiver bi anto so. But akonta hotel there.
Say they are contact.
They will be tax. Ye yi to the free so.
Say they are contact.
But where they ye yi to the free so. Eti ade na ne bo no ye $96 million no. Ama ade no bo no akwa koduru $275 million.
Ya bosom no bedi wechi.
Ebe JB.
Ya bosom no bedi wechi.
She. Na Bawumia campaign.
Oh, okay.
What I mention as
so you su practice be
Yeah. Her pre-financing no. I don't know for a fact, but I can tell you, sir, a big campaigning.
$94 million there.
A fee 94 was a 96.
$94.6 million.
Now, I could do $275 million. Over catch a border system. Border system, man.
Wait.
A border system, man. Hey, get here, be no because you're a border system, man.
But I didn't know. The whole terminal 3 $250 million this year.
Sure. And then the falter, gabby otchere darko falter. Sakwano. Me say, Akufo Addo president. Ofi gabby otchere darko fi landing by no. Kojo Kyeremanteng na chain uncompleted building na me ka ho na de gabby otchere darko kwat now. Onim. Me fi winnie by a bank first time. Na me trousers na sopa. Na sopa.
Joke na some from Magina. Who say
gabby so green trousers na
sopa. I say GW
for the na sopa. Ko we ye mo.
I say a year that.
Airport na si ho no. Pacho ye na ye Google. Debbie, Bobby. The total cost. The should be entertain. Then the total cost of Terminal 3 airport in Ghana.
$250 million.
Who dey nyabotre? So machine be. The total cost of Terminal 3 at Kotoka International Airport in Ghana was approximately $250 million.
When
Nanka, I didn't quite drew by Yessia. I cost so cry $250 million.
With the 250.
Okay, into the I got to say
$250
million. Yeah.
JB, $250 million. and no be na Mahama the source so the year runway for front ebe da so no Akufo Addo bae ataban wanye bi Mahama ye a new runway ever 250 million nim and o see diamond to munum kakra kayesi wanyina $250 million bibia e watem na 3 ho a Ghana for be ba so mo airport we de eye kakra
oh efe
me na ye $250 million na wo kofa pono epono abusafa amutie mi e-gate no enye hwe eye pono door a wuduru ha na wo ticket a kire so na bie
gwen
yes eno no ne boadin eche airport dine kase si ho no
na orefi Ameri Mahama kokra beri
yes eno ye bedid na otweda
Jáil
so ebsafo na yetimi ahwe nyame anim na Ghana Immigration Service modi akohwisam etra sakrata we
Jáil
etema tremuni anasa mose
Jáil
sadai sade no border system and a gen system and omode brofo aka ho pacho say sa border system na he no masiri
Jáil
ada na no ba Bawumia ko bia no
gwen
aye no masiri we inside honum na so red no
oh
I am you know
that help brofo no mo troy no mo say won wa ehihye mfidie no mfie du contract
aye
de bia da no mo nsabe wo ho ene se obi su ko gina ho no obi na mbia na o ma boa no ma na bi ade tina Bawumia ko gina ho no obi na mbia nkrofo na ma ho ameboa do
gwen
le de tina Bawumia ko gina ho a obi na mbia no
se osre ye tina mo ka se bia wabi
woda fo bia de no so ubi ade da sana ahede are you looking at me
was say ya
na osre a whole vice president was embarrassed so now what you have Bawumia a candidate keka at that material moment Bawumia was a candidate and a vice president
gwen
my embarrassing vice president to say no what me ahwe nyame nim obasa be breakdown hey Ghana Immigration Service
bini
really more met you remember 1 hour Monday mo met mo you remember 1 hour you see sometimes my politician mo look stupid because this morning the Ghana Immigration Service is looking stupid. How can you tell me that this thing will cost $274 million? Do you know $274 million? Really? And you see, Ghana no yet why yenyeska yenya de bi amfanye. E-gate back and Papa no amabo anchiro $55,000.
Yeah. Yes.
E-gate. Obian funny machine Google the most expensive electronic gate. Our JFK airport. Title. The most expensive e-gate na le contem.
Enko baby ayesi eko.
Ghana de na ebe ho. Ghana de na abeda so. Ghana de na da so terminal 3 project. Ghana e-gate in da so.
Outrageous cost.
Enko baby.
How can you tell me sir ade abaku here $55,000? Then you are telling me what? And Ghana Immigration Service. Mona mo defend the way.
gwen
Really?
Jáil
Debbie.
Chairman.
Debbie I make a job for we are very unintelligent criminals.
Jáil
And we show mad you na. I say we mo fa Ghana not to say bibibia like obi antimi nye obi ahwe obi amfa obi aho ye ne yete abam ti de ye pe no ye beyo
nyame na shira
eti wan kasa se wa wo ye nipa wo trase na wo dwen na mpampa se wo da wo ma me yam bosome nkono ye do tu sum yeso ama dwen ne ye adwuma wo betimi ahwe nyame ni ma twe pen ni paper atro krata abecha ka che Ghana for say Saturday we cost $274 million.
Nyame na shira yen na shimro. Oyere kon
obi anka hwe o. Eno apepepe. Ena Bank of Ghana so aye bi.
No Bank of Ghana den dey in crisis.
When him said then Akufo Addo ko bia no send no na. Ye mie.
No Bank of Ghana den dey in crisis.
Ye mie.
Isn't now utumi catch Ghana for na say what boka 60 billion 60 billion now 60.8 obosa aka ni wie ya wa koton hwe o uwie ya wakobobo say dey be si dan na dey I mean sebi producer sebi me ba fi kra be sa dey
hwe Ghana for we won can say immigration service headquarters so na ye yi wo mpanifo ni na babonten na ye busa wo questions. We are going forward we will mobilize the youth. I mean, I think that's what we should start doing. Yes, I say start mobilizing youth, you know. Because to come and tell me say who breaking it down. That brofune na the person on train and say VAT
and I'm $274 million US.
How?
Eddie. Sebi.
Pacho. JB.
Chairman.
Pacho mo fa letter to so nya figures no right.
For me Mistiano, na menchikano. Enko baby ayese yeko.
Yeah, kwai.
Say ya kwai.
Mutiti the procureur do. So otchere 2 weeks.
Na menchikano. Enko baby ayese yeko.
Yeah, kwai.
For me Mistiano.
Ade Begistiano.
Pacho kwasoro kakra.
I mean, no. I like you.
Also Sisifia.
Oh,
Kwasoro ye hu ba bia 96 no wo.
Asakra wonim so.
Nyame ana wo ho no. 94 kra.
Nyame na shira yen.
270 million. 274. Oh, sorry, committee so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 94,664 374.
Wait.
But that's it. But I'll bet me a year free. So, Muye na mo fanto so. Etigana for muntemi ye. Adiana kasa ne bono wo na eka wo ti. Say ne bono ye $94,664,374. Ne bono no. But eto taxes na ba ye no. Ena ma ade ko $274 million. Eti chese ade na wo ye si ho no ataban na teta ho no. Taxes e wo so ye 179 million.
Yeah, can you say 240 million? No, so Debbie.
Yeah,
40 million. Yeah,
270.
So, the figures are Casa neighbor. I'm the by $274 million.
How?
Yeah, that was
how? And I want 179,335,626.
at $200 products.
I didn't casa ye kotono. A 2 that the so and also I
did not gasa.
That's what ye, that's what you are buying. That's what my sepen is up for mine.
Immigration for Nagasa.
Ebe.
Umbano.
Ebe.
That's what ye, that's what you are buying.
Oh no.
Yeah, to Monday.
Mombo krono, but sa krono we nyansa bi anim.
Yo, it for Winnie and Sama Abeto. Yep, so Mikao says, so we can subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say, we subscribe. As a hadia latest and hot news. And qua Aramede Bremo. After we are now, like video, no, give us a thumbs up, now, fee, share my offer so now when you be here. Now, who and somewhere also, I will Ghana Memoha. Also, between Achere, Wadring a fire, and some way, you know, I will comment box in Mobati Minkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.